Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss some previous year problems. Before going to that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for further videos. And recently, we reached 250 plus subscribers. We're really glad to have you all. Hope you all extend your support in future and post your opinions in comment section. Thank you. We'll move into video. This was the problem they have given in NEET 2016. How to solve this type of problems? So there is a chance to ask this type of problems frequently. So here simple, the percentage of pyridine that forms pyridinium ion in 0.10 m aqueous solution, and they given dissociation constant, base dissociation constant. In such situations, first we need to write the data in equation form. So that is pyridine they have given C5 H5N in aqueous solution. This nitrogen lone pair will abstract H plus and it becomes pyridinium ion. So N plus H, it becomes pyridinium ion and OH minus. And initial concentration they have given, that is 0.10 m. We have to calculate the percentage of pyridinium ion forms in 0.10 m solution. So here first we need to calculate alpha. Alpha we already know, this alpha is dissociation. How much dissociation happens? So that is equal to square root of Kb divided by C. Here Kb is dissociation constant of base and C is concentration of pyridine. That is equal to, so what is the Kb value? 1.7 into 10 power minus 9 divided by, what is concentration? 0.10 m. This can be solved as, that is equal to, here how can we write 0.10? This can be written as 10 by 100, right? So 1.7 into 10 power minus 9 divided by 10.100 square root. So here 0 will get cancelled and this becomes square root of 1.7 into 10 power minus 9 into 10. So here bases are common, so we can add powers. Bases are common, we can add powers. So that is equal to square root of 1.7 into 10 power minus 8. 10 power minus 8 because we added powers. 1.30 into 10 power minus 4 you will get. What is this? This is just dissociation. We have to calculate percentage of dissociation. So we need to multiply this value with 100 to get percentage. So percentage of pyridinium ion, that is 1.30 into 10 power minus 4 into 100. So we are calculating percentage, no, 100. That is equal to 100 can be written as 10 square. So 10 square and 10 power minus 4, it becomes 10 power minus 2. If you calculate this one, you are going to get 0.013 percentage. This is the percentage of pyridinium ion in 0.10 m solution. Clear? We'll discuss next problem. Let us discuss this problem. So what they have given here, a monoprotic acid in 0.1 m solution ionizes to 0.001 percentage. Its ionization constant is. So they given the ionization they have given and concentration they have given, and they are asking us to calculate ionization constant, right? So they are asking us to calculate Ka because monoprotic acid they are talking about. So Ka is equals to, what is that formula? C alpha square. C alpha square. So here C they given concentration. What is that concentration? 0.1 m. 0.1 into alpha. What is that degree of ionization? 0.1 001 percentage they have given. So we have to take divided by 100, alpha square square. Now, so 0.1 into, so how to write this entire thing? Simple. So I am writing this thing as follows. So 1 divided by, so I am writing 1000 divided by 100 whole square. Clear? So if this 1000 comes down, then 1000 into 100. So this becomes whole square. Clear? So 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. So 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10 into, so 1 by 10 power 5 whole square, isn't it? So this can be written as 1 into 10 power minus 11. So 10 whole power 5 into 2, 10 power 10, and here 110. So 10 power 10 plus 1, it becomes 10 power 1 by 10 power 11. That 1 by 10 power 11 can be written as 10 power minus 11. We'll discuss next problem. Let us discuss this problem. So what they have given here, the hydrogen atom concentration in mole per cubic decimeter in 0.2 m solution of weak acid HA, and dissociation constant of acid they have given, and they are asking that value is close to which of the following options. So when they have given problems like this, first we need to write the formal things. So that is HA, they have not mentioned particular acid here, so simply we can take HA. So this can be dissociated as H plus and A minus. This is general representation of dissociation of weak acid. So here initial concentration of this HA they have given, that is 0.2 m concentration. According to Ostwald dilution law, the ionization constant or dissociation constant, so here particularly acid they have given, so we have to take Ka, that is equals to C alpha square. C is concentration and alpha is the degree of dissociation. So here at equilibrium, the concentration of any ion, that may be H plus or A minus, is C alpha. We know, we have discussed this in previous video. So here you have to calculate alpha, that is equal to square root of Ka divided by C. Square root of Ka divided by C. Then how to calculate the concentration of H plus or H3O plus? What is that formula? C alpha. So C alpha is equals to, now we have alpha value, so C into, what is that alpha value? Square root of Ka divided by C. So this C can be written as square root of C into square root of C. So here square and this square root will get cancelled, into square root of Ka divided by C. So here square root of C and C will get cancelled and will get square root of Ka into C. So C alpha is equals to square root of Ka into C. We have Ka value and we have concentration value. If we substitute those two values in this formula, we can get the concentration of H plus or H3O plus here. So C alpha is equals to square root of Ka into C, that is equals to, what is Ka value here? 2 into 10 power minus 5, and what is concentration? 0.2. So how can we write 0.2? 2 by 10 we can write, no? 2 by 10 we can write. So 2 into 10 power minus 5 into 2 by 10. So 2 square into 10 power minus 5 divided by 10. So it becomes 10 power minus 6. So you will get 2 into 10 power minus 3. This is the concentration of H plus ion or H3O plus ion in given acid. So which option is correct? 2 into 10 power minus 3. This option is correct. This is all about this video. Thanks for watching, and please like my videos and share with your friends and subscribe my channel.